This is a brief tutorial to assist parents navigating through the virtual classroom. When you click on your child's virtual classroom in the left-hand side menu, you'll be able to access the different subjects that the teacher has loaded. All the subjects that you see are specifically for your child's class and not for any other child. So you can see that these are the different subjects that have been preloaded in this demo school. I can click into each lesson. I can see there's 2 lessons waiting for English. There's one for fine motor skills and one for maths. This is just a subject outline, and this is the teacher's profile. So let's go into maths, for example. There's the subject outline, this is the topic name, and here's the lesson. I can click the link to open the lesson. So let's go into the lesson. There's the overview, there's the content, and the teacher's loaded some diagrams and some quick quizzes and some links to click on. I can see that the lesson date and time, the duration's been set for 30 minutes. That's how long it should take your child, or if you're the student doing the course. You can also upload your completed work. So, for example, you just basically choose the file. There's the maths assignment, and click upload. It's as simple as that. The teacher will then be notified and can view and can grade your child's work. If you want to see that it was uploaded successfully, just click the view file link. Okay. So moving back, you've got a menu button in the top right hand corner, and this is specifically for the virtual classroom. You can go into each section of the site. There's a video there. You've got this is your home page that you're on now, and then you've got a calendar. The calendar is very useful because it lets you have a snapshot of all the different lessons that are coming up. So for example, I can see there's an English lesson there, condensation, and you can literally just click on the link. Opens up the lesson. I can see that there's a Zoom meeting set on that date and time. I can literally just click, I can copy the password or the meeting ID, for example, click on the Zoom icon and just paste in the link and click join. It'll take you straight into the meeting. The parents also have, or the student has the ability to mark a lesson as complete. So let's go into science, for example. Let's say that you've finished that lesson, and you just literally click the complete button. Once the teacher has graded it and they've loaded their comment, you'd literally click the view button, and that would let you see the teacher's comments. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.